guys, so in this video, just so you guys know, this was my very first like huge motorcycle ride, so we did stay towards the back, so I didn't really get to capture all the crazy stunting and everything. And you'll also notice in the video we don't really talk to the camera or the audience, you guys, very often, just because I was more focused on making sure I didn't run into anyone, or yeah. So basically my point is just letting you guys know that this vlog is a little bit different than our usual ones, but I still wanted to share the craziness so you can see just how big this ride was. I know you guys saw me talking about it on Instagram and all that. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell.
That was a good one.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Gonna be hundreds of bikes, a mixture of every kind: Harleys, Groms, Supermotos, sport bikes, stunt riders. It's gonna be awesome. They're already doing wheelies.
You look good on the 701 though.
Oh, thanks. No, the GSXR. Oh my god, who has, I think it's that Grom right there has an air horn.
That's actually a really good idea.
Ooh, I'm getting butterflies in my tummy. It's good butterflies though, it's exciting. Things are gonna get crazy.
Oh, you're getting a burnout next to you. He's trying anyways.
You can do it! I'm gonna try a wheelie.
Careful.
Well, there was also Supermotos down here too. Alright, let's go in here. Dude, there's so many bikes, you guys! Oh, I thought there's Groms. There's everything. Oh, and this would be where the t-shirts are. Oh god, there's some crazy stuff happening.
Welcome to BTO 2019!
In charge of this. Look at her bars, they're pink.
Oh, look at the bike to the right.
I'm louder than some of the sport bikes. So if I am like screaming more than normal in this moto vlog,
It's just because there's a lot of loud motorcycles around us, so.
and we be churning. Oh my god, the baby! Oh, it's a girl riding that.
Hey look, there's a guy on a trike.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, we were trying to decide what bikes to ride. We were gonna ride the Groms, but I chose not to because there's gonna be so many stunters on Groms, and I feel like I would look like a loser because I can't really stunt yet.
We had to decide which bikes to take.
Yeah, you know, the struggle is real, having to pick which bike. Her phone is gonna fall out of her pocket.
How many bikes do you think are here?
I mean, it's hard to count because there's probably bikes that are joining in late.
Yeah. Uh-oh. What happened? Or did someone... Oh, it's a new girl rider. She stalled. We're getting congested. There's a pedestrian. That pedestrian's just like, hey, fuck you. Oh,
Oh, fuck.
Yep.
You just spit on someone. He's liking seeing you on the 701. You're getting more attention on the 701 than you probably would on your GSXR.
That's a cute little Oh my god, there's a lion inside that car!
Oh my god.
My butt's already starting to hurt.
Really? Hey, at least you can stand up.
This seat is not very comfortable. Holy shit! What is that person doing?
That car is about to fucking start ramming people.
That's a scary thing, is there are people... Oh my god, no, do not ram... Oh, he came close. Okay, be careful.
The fuck is he doing? Yeah, careful. What the fuck is that dude doing, man? He's gonna...
There's some people that really just are rude. Oh, great, we have to go to this side then. Okay, well that probably wasn't the best thing to do, but... Because that would just piss him off more.
He's trying to give a high five. And we already had one crash.
Yeah, there's a female rider that she had already killed it a couple times because we were going slow, and like I said, she must be a new rider.
Look at all the bikes up ahead of us.
Is that the same group?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
They're turning right here and then wrapping around.
Oh, look at the... Oh, he has ear pro for his baby.
Those little girls are jumping up and down over you.
She was so excited to see a girl rider. That was so cute.
You're an inspiration to young female riders, eventual riders everywhere.
Uh-oh.
There's a crash. It can't be a motorcycle rider. There's no way. We just...
It is. I can see. They're on the ground.
They got out here quick.
Looks like he was part of it.
Yep. He broke his leg. Yep, there's the bike. Oh, his leg's real broke. Like, real fucking broke.
It made me nervous seeing him flat on his stomach like that. So that's 2 accidents so far. Oh, look at the moped!
Go, moped, go!
Ah, shit! He almost pulled out at me.
I saw that.
Ah, he has a stitch!
A stitch? Look at his ear flapping.
That's so cute. Oh my god, you know what I should do is attach Stitch to my bike.
Your big Stitch. And then go do wheelies.
Oh, look at beautiful Seattle.
It's pretty until you get close.
Yeah, the skyline is pretty.
Oh yeah, we're going through the tunnel.
Oh god, I'm not wearing earplugs. Dang it.
I'm not either.
Alright, here we go. Time to go deaf.
That was bad. That sucked.
I just have my legs dangling because they don't touch the ground. See, I thought we were going to be going to Seattle Center.
Usually they do. They're avoiding downtown for some reason. Probably because last year was a shit show.
Oh no, there's a drum right there. Is that a drum with a passenger?
Yeah, it looks like it. It is.
That looks so funny.
That girl does not look like she belongs on a bike. Like, with the way she's dressed. She's wearing flip-flops. Like, straight up sandals. She's gonna lose her feet.
red wheels.
Cop. Uh-oh. Like, he's actually got his lights on.
Dun 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 dun.
Are you behind me?
No, I'm behind the Predator.
I'm gonna touch the butt.
Ooh, you touched the butt. Let's see. Any shade?